Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is PureReviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a robotic pool cleaner that just is going to make cleaning your pool so much easier. So this was sent over by a company called Ultenic, and this is the box that it comes in. Their particular model here is the Pooleco 10. Once you open it up, you're obviously going to get a user manual. We're going to cover all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get 2 spare wheels. So if you ever need to change out your wheels on them, it has 4 wheels on the underside. They give you 2 spare ones. Then you're also going to get this little device right here. This is a little floaty, which is going to make it easy to grab the robot when it is done cleaning. Now, it does have a self-park mode, so when it gets low, it's going to try to go to the area that it, basically you put it in the water. Now, if your pool is running, it may slide a little bit out of position, so do keep that in mind. But this is going to make it a lot easier to grab. But then here is the robot itself. So as you can see, it is a nice and small robot. This is designed for smaller pools, so pools that are around 850 square feet and also a low sloping bottom. So as long as your pool is under a kind of like a 15% slope, you're gonna be good. It's not designed to climb up the sides of the walls or anything like that. It's meant to just clean the bottom. It's gonna pick up dust. It's gonna pick up basically silt, sand, small twigs, small leaves, debris, that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's basically has a 90-minute runtime, so you're just going to drop it in the water, and that 5,200 mAh battery will just run for 90 minutes. How are you going to charge it up? It just comes with a charging cable. You're going to plug it in right here at the top. Make sure the rubber stop is nice and closed when you go ahead and put it in. But then, yeah, then when you go ahead and just hit the power button, turn it on, and drop it into the water, and you're going to be good to go. And then as far as changing out the debris, it has a 2.5 liter bin. There's a clip on the front and the back. Just simply lift this out of position, and then you're gonna have your little catch basin here, which is gonna collect all the debris. It's got a nice fine filter on here. Just simply hose that off and hose off the bottom, and it's all nice and clean, ready for storage and ready to go again. How I basically use it is I just charge it up, drop it in the pool, let it do its thing, pull it out, hose everything, and put it in storage. So it works very, very well with that aspect of it. Now, this is gonna work with all your standard kind of pool sizes, types out there. So if you have a plaster pool, if you have a PebbleTech pool like I have, if you have glass, if you have, or a tile, I should say, or if you have a vinyl pool, it's gonna work with all those kind of pools. It's also gonna work whether you have a in-ground pool or above ground pool. So a very, very easy to use device. It's gonna make cleaning your pool a lot easier. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great pool cleaner, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.